Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update WireGuard on macOS, complete guide step by step clearly. Open your Mac and ensure you are connected to the internet. Launch the terminal application. You can find it in the Utilities folder within Applications. In the terminal window, type the command to check your current WireGuard version. The command is WG Quick Press the Enter key to execute the command. Take note of your current version for reference. To update WireGuard, you will first need to install Homebrew if it is not already installed. To check if Homebrew is installed, type brew version in the terminal and press Enter. If Homebrew is not installed, use this command /bin/bash c $curl fsslh https://raw.github. Press Enter and follow the on-screen instructions to complete the installation. Once Homebrew is installed, update it by typing brew update and pressing Enter. Next, you can now upgrade WireGuard by typing brew upgrade WireGuard tools. Press Enter to start the upgrade process. Homebrew will download and install the latest version of WireGuard tools. Once the update is complete, you can verify the installation by typing WG Quick version again. Press Enter to check the updated version. If the version number reflects the latest release, the update was successful. In case you're using a different method, such as a manual installation or a package manager, refer to those specific instructions. Make sure to check the official WireGuard website or GitHub page for any special instructions related to your specific. After completing the update, ensure your WireGuard configurations are intact. Reconnect your VPN to confirm everything is functioning correctly. You have now successfully updated WireGuard on macOS. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.